That the value of the chosen few won't be diminished if you allow them all to finish what they start. See, in Philly, across the street from our art history is where we shall lie futuristically. Keep up the fight and we will be obsolete. Like the streets get paid till the roads are complete. Democracy is upheld until the system conquers and beats. Victory with the agony of defeat, fight till your feet fail. Cause after that your mental will sail, you assure. Fight till your rights are restored. Fight till the alarm is on. The bell has rung, and you have won. Have won. I was born to fight. See, I ain't been torn down yet. I was born to fight. I tell you, I'm the surest. There ain't no man, no woman, no beast alive that can be me, 'cause I'm born to fight. I was born to
fight. Yeah, try for the accompaniment.
Okay, all right. So we're here at Soul Culture Sundays. How y'all feeling?
All right.
Come on now. I know y'all feeling good. It's Sunday in Center City. You with your friends, you looking good, feeling great. I can see the light radiating off of you all. Give it up for yourselves in the building. For still being alive. Still loving music. We are the Legend of Poetica Experience. I am Miss P.
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
Turn it up.
I only pray that I will be performing from my 20-track release entitled Legend of Poetica, which features 20 songs, hip-hop, reggae, R&B, jazz. Sounds like a tech class, right? Sounds like a Zumba class. Well, you can do your Zumba to this music. It's some good music up in here. There's a couple features maybe you may have heard of them. One of them is an artist named Jilly from Philly. She's on that CD. Another brother named Malik B. He's also on that CD too. A couple other artists and musicians you may recognize. Favor, favor, favor. Can't we live forever? I will also be featuring this evening Jazara Jules, the original designs of Jazara Jules.
Yeah. What? Come on. With the boy Ross in the background. Yeah.
don't forget to give it up to my girl Nadira in the building. Where she at? Let's put it in. Yes, yes. Yes, Lady Sojourner, you here as well? Turn around. Yes, God. Yes.
And we're here with the Legend of Poetica. So we'll be back for you all. Thank you for having us, and we're glad to have you. Enjoy yourselves tonight.
Yes.